Guahan alone has well over 100 Superfund sites, and we have across the Marianas, most especially in places where there's military presence, there's high contamination, and this contamination impacts our well-being. We see high rates of cancer throughout Guahan, most especially on the villages that border the military bases in Santa Rita and in Jigo and in Tinian too, which has a really long violent history, especially during World War II of militarization. There's lots of different types of blood cancers and leukemia within the small community of Tinian. And so also in Tinopeg and in Saipan, there was PCBs and lots of dumping happening in the bay right outside of Saipan. And it was the Tinopeg Action Group that forced the military to do some studies and do some cleanup to the tune of, tens of millions of dollars in cleanup.